Panama City Ground, Skyhawk 75926, ready to taxi from Shelter with November, VFR staying in the pattern.
75926, Tower, how do you hear me, sir?
Say again, ground.
Cessna 75926, ground or tower, how do you hear me?
I got you, Lima Charlie now.
Cessna 75926, roger, runway 16, taxi via Juliet, Delta, uniform.
Taxi to runway 16 via Juliet, Delta, uniform, 75926, thank you.
Cessna 926, you still hear me?
926, that's affirmative.
926, new instructions, turn left on Foxtrot, 16 taxi via Foxtrot, Echo 2, Delta, uniform.
Foxtrot, Echo 2, Delta, uniform for runway 16. This is a Skyhawk 926.
Citation 1962, turn right at the very end via Juliet, taxi into Shelter, remain my frequency.
Ground Skyhawk 75926, is there any way I can get runway 16 at Sierra?
Aircraft in the air, calling the tower, say again please. And remember 583 Victor, you can turn right at the very end via Juliet, taxi into Shelter. And Cessna 926, did you call?
That's affirmative, I was wondering if I can get runway 16 at Sierra.
Cessna 926, 16 at Sierra, taxi via Delta Sierra.
16 at Sierra via Delta Sierra, 926, thank you.
Cessna 926, set your transponder up to squawk 0445, hold short of 16 at Sierra.
0445 and hold short of runway 16 at Sierra, 926.
(926) affirmative. And additional aircraft calling tower or ground, you are blocked.
Panama ground, FA2 is at a 1,000-foot bar to Mauser.
FA2, you want the Mausers on?
Negative. We want to go and look at, there's supposed to be a Mauser above that was knocked out or something up here, damaged. We need to go look at it.
FA2, what's your position? Are you on the north end of the field?
Yes, we're at the Mauser at the 1,000-foot bar.
FA2, roger, hold short of runway 1634.
Holding short, we're here at the 1,000-foot marker. Panama City guys, check the 14 plus 1. Panama City guys, check the 14 plus 1. FA 1 second. Yes, item C on Delta to maintenance road. FA 1, proceed request to remain off all runway. Yeah, request, hold on.
Charlie Delta, with November, I am 6 Southwest, 1500, inbound landing.
4649, Charlie Delta, Panama City Tower in the right base, runway 16, reported 2 mile right base.
2 mile right base for 16, 9 Charlie Delta.
Ray 58, correction, calling me inbound from southeast again. 517 Hotel, roger that, and your VFR, sir? Hotel. Sorry about the confusion. I'm working the local and ground control. Runway 16 taxi via Juliet Delta. Say your directional flight. Hotel, say top aircraft and altitude. Roger that. 71 Hotel, runway 16, taxi via Juliet Delta.
Panama City Tower, Skyx 75926 is standing by for takeoff, runway 16 at Sierra.
Roger that. FA, which FA was wanting to get on the runway? FA2, roger that. They got one on the right base, hold short, runway 16. You can proceed on it, the light area. That is correct, sir.
And tower, sir, that's 9 Charlie Delta, 2 mile right base, 16.
649 Charlie Delta, runway 16, clear to land.
Clear to land, 16, 9 Charlie Delta, thank you.
Cessna 75926, runway 16 at Sierra, clear for takeoff, make right, close traffic.
Clear for takeoff for runway 16 at Sierra, make right, close traffic, Skyx 75926.
One Hotel, roger, you're coming out of the north side, it's hard to get to Juliet there. Make a left on Foxtrot, a right on Kilo, and a left on Delta. Unable Papa, you can have Sierra.
And tower, just confirm I'm clear to land for 9 Charlie Delta.
Phase 2, thank you. And Charlie Delta, continue landing, roll all the way to the end and right turn on taxiway Juliet, hold short of taxiway Delta.
Okay, we'll do. We'll do the T here, sir.
Oh, roger, it makes it easier. Right turn on Mike, hold short of Delta.
Mike, hold short of Delta, thank you, 9 Charlie Delta.
Panama City Tower, Skyx 75926, right midfield, downwind for runway 16.
75926, runway 16, clear for the option. And
Clear to land, runway 16, or clear for the option, 926.
Roger.
And Tower, this is 926. I was wondering if I can do a stop and go.
Delta 2506, hold short, runway 16.
Panama City Airport information.
Avenue Tower, 2506, short of 16, ready to go when you are.
2506, Panama City, roger, hold short, runway 16.
Full hold short, 2506.
926, runway 16, clear to touch and go. Make right close traffic. I gotta get Delta out right after you go.
926, roger, clear to land, touch and go, runway 16, 926.
One hotel. Tower, November 5171 Hotel, holding short Sierra, ready for departure.
5171 Hotel, no delay, runway 16 at Sierra, clear for takeoff. You can proceed on course. Traffic to Cessna right base with a touch and go clear.
Alright, clear for takeoff, 616 Sierra intersection, proceed on course, November 5171 Hotel. Wind check.
190 at 4.
Panama City Airport Ace Information, Oscar current.
It's 5171 Hotel, I'm not receiving altitude on you.
Receiving transponder 171 Hotel.
There you go, got it now.
Roger.
Tower 926, just confirming right close traffic.
926, that's affirmative, right close traffic.
Roger, right close traffic, 926, thanks.
Delta 2506, turn left heading 090, maintain 3000, runway 16, clear for takeoff.
Left turn to 09016, clear for takeoff, Delta 2506.
Traffic is a Cessna 3 miles southeast out of 1500 climbing southeastbound.
We'll keep an eye out for him, Delta 2506.
Tower Malibu 858 Golf Kilo, holding short, runway 16, ready for takeoff.
5 Golf Kilo, Roger, hold short, runway 16. About 171 Hotel, you can contact Tyndall approach 120.82, good flight.
120.82, good day, 171 Hotel. Panama City Tower, Sirius 81 Charlie Alpha, visual 16.
Sirius 81 Charlie Alpha, Panama City Tower, in left base, runway 16, report a 2-mile left base.
Report 2-mile left base, 16, 1 Charlie Alpha.
Tower, Skyhawk 926 is right midfield for runway 16.
Standby 926, caution white terminus, departing MD-88, runway 16, clear for the option.
926, clear for the option, runway 16.
2506, if you could expedite your left turn to 090 and 3000, contact departure, good flight.
Alright, 090, 3000 departure, good day, 2506. A1 Charlie Alpha setting up on about a 2-mile left base, runway 16.
A1 Charlie Alpha, yeah, square your turn to final. I got one to depart priority arrival if the approach control ever answer me, and you're clear to land runway 16.
We're squared off, clear land 16, and can we go full length?
Yes, sir, full length approach.
Full length, thanks, 1 Charlie.
Malibu 8586 kilo, delays with approach. I can't get them an answer.
858 Golf Kilo, Roger. A1 Charlie Alpha, turn of final.
A1 Charlie Alpha, roger that. Departing 1 priority arrival, 858 Golf Kilo, turn left hang 090, maintain 3000, no delay, runway 16, clear for takeoff.
Say again, heading, no delay, takeoff 1, clear, runway 16, 858 Golf Kilo.
Golf Kilo, just keep it rolling, 090 on heading, left turn.
190 left turn, 858 Golf Kilo, rolling.
Standby 926 should be following serious traffic on a mile final. I'll report that traffic inside.
All traffic on a 1 mile final, and I'm searching for the traffic. 926 has the traffic.
A Golf Kilo, left turn 090, 3000, contact departure, good flight.
Going to departure, thanks, good flight.
Just 1 Charlie Alpha, continue landing roll to the end, all the way to the end, right turn Juliet, hold short of Delta.
All the way to the end and right turn Juliet, hold short of Delta, 1 Charlie.
75926, runway 16, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, runway 16, Skyhawk 926. This will be a full stop landing. Can I run it long?
75926, affirmative, land long's approved, you can take it all the way to the end. Nothing behind you.
Long landing approved, Skyhawk 926. Thank you.
Charlie Alpha, contact ground point 65.
65, 1 Charlie.
Nine 926 all the way to the end, right turn Juliet, hold short of Delta, ground point 65.
Right turn Juliet, hold short on Delta, contact ground 12165 Thank you guys. Flaps up, make sure link on standby there. Panama City ground, Skyhawk 75926, clear of runway 16 at Juliet, request taxi to shelter.
On ground, say again.
This is Skyhawk 75926, clear of runway 16 at Juliet, request taxi to shelter.
75926, Panama City ground via Juliet, taxi park.
Taxi to parking via Juliet, 926, thank you.
You're welcome, y'all have a good day. Thanks for the work today.
Hey, back at you, I appreciate the help, 926.
Yes, sir. Panama City Airport, 80 information, Papa current.